Imagine the tantalizing aroma of a wood-fired pizza wafting through your backyard. Crispy crusts with golden bubbling cheese, ready in just 90 seconds. This FrigiLife Multi-Fuel Pizza Oven Outdoor transforms this dream into reality, delivering restaurant-quality pizza from the comfort of your patio or campsite. This 12-inch portable pizza oven is a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, blending versatility, precision, and durability into one sleek stainless steel package. Whether you're hosting a lively pizza night or embarking on a camping adventure, this multi-fuel pizza oven ensures every slice is perfection. Let's dive into why the FrigiLife is the ultimate choice for pizza lovers and outdoor chefs alike. Why choose the FrigiLife Multi-Fuel Pizza Oven? Pizza ovens aren't just appliances, they're the heart of unforgettable gatherings. The FrigiLife Multi-Fuel Pizza Oven stands out in a crowded market by solving common outdoor cooking challenges: uneven heat, long preheating times, and limited fuel options. This oven is designed to make you the star of every backyard barbecue or camping trip, delivering pizzeria-worthy results with minimal effort. Its innovative features, from a rotating pizza stone to multi-fuel versatility, make it a must-have for anyone serious about outdoor cooking. Here's a deep dive into what makes this oven a cut above the rest. Key features that set it apart: multi-fuel flexibility. Choose between wood, charcoal, or propane gas to suit your cooking style. Crave the smoky depth of a wood-fired pizza oven? Prefer the quick convenience of a gas pizza oven? The FrigiLife adapts effortlessly, giving you the best of both worlds. Blazing fast heat up. Reaches 572 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20-30 seconds and peaks at 932 degrees. Cooking a 12-inch pizza in 90 to 120 seconds. Say goodbye to long waits and hello to quick, crispy pies that rival your favorite pizzeria. 360 degrees rotating pizza stone. The cordierite pizza stone rotates for even cooking, eliminating hot spots and ensuring every bite has a perfectly crisp crust and melty toppings. Built-in thermometer. Monitor temperatures with precision, taking the guesswork out of achieving that coveted leopard-spotted crust. Premium stainless steel build. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel with triple-layer insulation, this oven retains heat efficiently while staying cool to the touch, ensuring safety and durability. Portable and easy to store. With foldable legs and a detachable chimney, it's compact enough for patios, picnics, or camping. Weighing under 30 pounds, it's your go-to for pizza anywhere. Versatile cooking options. Beyond pizza, roast meats, grill vegetables, or bake artisan breads, making it a multi-purpose outdoor cooking companion. Benefits that elevate your cooking game. Restaurant-quality results at home. The high heat and rotating stone deliver Neapolitan-style pizzas with puffed charred edges and bubbling cheese, impressing guests every time. Unmatched versatility. Switch between fuel types to match your mood. Wood for authentic flavor, propane for convenience, or charcoal for a smoky twist. Time-saving efficiency. Quick preheating and fast cooking mean you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying delicious meals with friends and family. Durable and safe design. The stainless steel construction and insulated body ensure long-lasting performance and safe handling, even at scorching temperatures. Portable for any adventure. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it ideal for backyard pizza nights, beach cookouts, or camping trips, bringing gourmet pizza wherever you go. Solving common outdoor cooking problems. Outdoor cooking can be a hassle. Uneven heat, bulky equipment, and fuel limitations often lead to disappointing results. The FrigiLife Multi-Fuel Pizza Oven tackles these issues head-on. Its rotating pizza stone ensures consistent cooking, eliminating burnt edges or doughy centers. The multi-fuel options mean you're never tied to one fuel source, whether you're at home with a propane tank or in the wilderness with wood pellets. Plus, the rapid preheat time means you're not stuck waiting for the oven to get hot while your guests grow hungry. This oven is designed for ease, precision, and versatility, making outdoor cooking a joy rather than a chore. Why now is the time to buy? With outdoor entertaining on the rise, the FrigiLife Multi-Fuel Pizza Oven is the perfect addition to your backyard or camping gear. Its ability to deliver gourmet results in minutes makes it a standout choice for 2025's pizza lovers. Whether you're craving a smoky wood-fired pie or a quick propane-cooked pizza, this oven delivers every time. Don't settle for takeout when you can create pizzeria-quality meals at home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and elevate your outdoor cooking game today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.